Leach-Nicholson House, circa 1840, built in the Gothic Revival style. The land upon which this house is situated was deeded to the Leach family in 1796 from Judge Jackson. In the 1840s, the family built the oldest part of the house in a simple vernacular style, typical of modern houses in the Ohio Valley. The home remained in the Leach family until 1954. Anna Leach was probably the most colorful occupant of the house. She traveled extensively, considered herself a part of New York society, particularly in its literary circles, and was reputed to have been Jack London's mistress. She wrote a scathing, thinly veiled novel about exploits and liaisons of Parkersburg's high society. Although never published, the manuscript was supposed to have been in the attic, but was never found after the Holmes family moved in 1980. The oldest part of the house, the dormer windowed part over the garage, has log walls in sections of its construction. In 1867, there was a grand addition to the house in the latest cottage style, popularized by a leading American architect, A.J. Downing. This Gothic Revival expansion, with its bay window and the bargeboard trim on the gable, often called gingerbread trim, gave the house the charm that characterizes it today. The addition incorporated a higher ceiling for the living room, which resulted in an extra step up on the second floor, from one section of the house to another. With the addition, the front entrance was relocated to 13th Street, although the address remains Ann Street. The house features random width flooring, 2 open staircases, interior wooden shutters, and paneled walls. It contains a large modern kitchen and a solarium opening onto the patio and garden in the rear. Over the years, the house has been a popular residence for several Parkersburg families. The list would include the Holmes, Mallory, Keough, von Westerholt, and Mason families.